Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today we explore grid PVC conduit, one of the most common types of electrical conduit. Grid conduit is designed to protect electricity wires from damage, helping ensure safe, clear, and long-lasting electrical systems. Depending on where you are, grid conduit can serve different applications. In Australia and New Zealand, grid conduit is usually medium duty, used background and indoors, and complies with AS/NZS 2053. But for underground use, heavy-duty orange conduit is more common. In North America, grid conduit refers to different types like schedule-rated, DB, EB, or Type A, commonly used for direct buried or concrete encasement. Ctube offers a full range of grid conduits certified to AS/NZS, UL, CSA. Our conduit is tested for crash resistance, moisture protection, and chemical durability, perfect for many environments. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.